morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video I am doing another unboxing product review for Yasonic. They reached back out to me wanting me to do another unboxing for them. This will be the 4th time I have worked with this company, and I have been loving every single product. The first product was a shower caddy for my bathroom. And then I got the plant stand, and then for the kids' bathroom, I got the cabinet to go behind their toilet, well, the shelf. And this one is a shower caddy for the kids' bathroom, which I was actually really needing one for in there. So I'm so glad they reached out to me and wanted me to do this product review unboxing for them. So we're gonna get into this.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away.
It's really simple to put up and everything. So, and these things are awesome. They don't fall. They stay on the shower pretty well. They don't fall or nothing. Like, I've had ours jam-packed with stuff and it is still holding up. So a fantastic product. I already have one and love it, so I'm glad to be getting this one in the kids' bathroom.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow.
So now we're just gonna take this and go to the kids' bathroom and get it all installed. But as y'all can see, their shampoo and conditioner and body wash is just all sitting down right here. This one actually goes to my shower caddy, but we didn't do the bar soap, so I'm going to replace this one with the one that goes with the current one that we just got in. Okay, so I am going to clean the area where I'm going to hang those.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about.
Okay, so I got a pencil and I've got these. I'm gonna get these put on here, and then we are going to measure. You're just going to take this and just put it. Make sure. Okay, so I'm going to stick this where I want it, and then I'm just going to make my mark so I can get it lined up perfectly. Which...
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the joints. Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is. what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too.
But that is what it looks like, and it is absolutely perfect. So now all of this will stay cleaned off and it won't fall on them. So perfect. I love it. And this product I will leave linked down below. And like I said, I am loving their products. This is the 4th time I've worked with Yasonic, and I have loved every single product that I have gotten from them. So I hope you guys love them as well as I do, and I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye.